Manuel Agustin Cobobo, 24, representing the municipality of San Antonio.
It's not about the good face or it's not about the good body. For me, I would choose.
Let us congratulate aspirant number 2 because he is in for Mr. Nueva Ecija 2026. For candidate 11 and 10, kindly proceed. Thank you, Aspirant number 5, and your question will be coming from Mr.
I am Arun Singapore, 18, representing Municipality of Gimba.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gimba, and your question will be coming from.
Good day, everyone. My name is Mark Jerome Alas, 21, from Municipality of Gimba.
Thank you very much, Mr. Thank you very much, Mr. San Jose.
Francisco, 19, proudly representing Cabanatuan City.
Another aspirant from Cabanatuan, and your question will be coming.
I am Arun Singapore, 18, representing Municipality of Gimba.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gimba, and your question will be coming from Mr. James Delaney.
What
paano mo best represent your personality and why?
Para sa akin, bilang isang lobo sila, nare-represent ako ang aking sarili bilang isang talaga. Dahil tayo dito, nire-represent na rin ito ang ating pagiging masipag, pagiging mapatag sa alam sa ulan, at pagiging masipag sa kahit anumang pagsubok-subok tayo ng ating araw. At dahil dito, bilang isang lobo si Henry, nais ko pagmalaki ang ating bayan, ang ating probinsya sa pamamagitan ng pagmamahal sa sarili natin.
Thank you very much. And for your follow-up question, you're only 18 years old, right? And let me just ask you, what are the other, or marami ka na ba nasa niyang mga pageant?
Yung previous pilot ko, mas dali ako ay hinarap ko this week and it is the Ginong Gimba.
Okay. Thank you very much, Aspire number 6. And now, let's all welcome our Aspire number 7.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pedro Paco, proudly representing from Municipality of San Leonardo.
That is our Mr. Sam Leonardo, and your question will be coming from Mr. Marky Ramos.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. Here's your question. If you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would it be and why?
So, for me po, kung i-describe ko ang aking sarili, ako ay disiplido at positibo sa buhay. At ang isa ay competitive. Dahil naniniwala po ako na dapat bilang Novoisiano, hindi dapat tayo nagpapagasa ng negative sa nangyayari sa ating sa buhay. Pagkos, matuto tayo kung paano tayo lumabas sa buhay. Dahil naniniwala ako na kapag tayo ay katwin natin ang mga kahilingan na yun, malayong mararating natin. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much. And for your follow-up question, I've heard that you are also title holders of different pageants. So what more are we going to expect from you for Mr. Nueva Ecija? What are the other things that we're going to expect other being a title holder of different pageants? So ano po yung kaya mong ipakita dito sa stage na to?
So for me, hindi ko may papakako, pero may papakita ko sa inyo lahat na kaya kong gawin ito, kaya kong may kasabayan sa mas magagaling sa akin. Dahil naniniwala ko na dapat wala tayo makakantan. Maging positibo tayo sa buhay. Dahil naniniwala ako na dapat umalis tayo sa ating comfort zone because explore natin kung ano yung dapat na kaya pa natin gawin. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much. Aspire number 12. And now, our Aspire number 13.